Hi, MarNee Moose here. Do you hear that rain? It's really pouring out there. Boy, did it rain on Noah's Day. I think maybe we should sing a song about that. My friends Rai Rhino and Ellie Elephant will help sing. How about you? Would you like to sing? Let's sing.
Noah, Noah, get ready for the rain. Noah, Noah, I've called you in my name. Noah, Noah, a change there has to be. Noah, Noah, build this ark and you will see.
Boy, Noah's got a big job ahead of him.
Noah was a very rich man. He was rich in quality. He knew God's word and he lived God's plan. He worked most diligently. The people laughed and the people cried. They said that God would keep them alive. Oh, but the rain came fast and they knew at last Noah didn't lie. Noah, Noah, get ready for the rain. Noah, Noah, I've called you in my name. Noah, Noah, a change there has to be. Noah, Noah, build this ark and you will see.
What's that noise? It's the animals.
Two by two by two by two, keep the animals on the boat. Side by side they walked in stride, the tiger and the billy goat. Once on board they were safe inside. They knew that God would keep them alive. Oh, for 40 days and 40 nights they wandered through the stormy nights. Oh, then one day the sun did shine, the rain went away, and a rainbow stayed to say, from God, I promise you this, I'll never do this no more, no more. Noah,